So let's talk briefly about some of the atmospheric circulation patterns that take place. This is a simplified pattern showing the Earth. In the equatorial or tropical regions, they get more sunlight there. The subtropics get just a little bit less. The mid latitudes where we live get slightly less, and then the polar regions get the least amount of direct sunlight from the sun. So you would expect these shades to represent temperature. And because hot air is located at the equator, we actually get some rising taking place there in both hemispheres. And also, what helps this process is a pressure gradient force that sets up. And these winds start to run towards the equator, and they run into each other, and they converge, and we get some rising air taking place along the equator. We call this the intertropical convergence zone. And then the air will go up along the upper edge of the troposphere and return back to the poles and sink. So in reality, that cell I was just showing you is called the Hadley cell, and there's actually two other cells that get squished onto the Earth in the real version of this. So the Hadley cell is now located down by the equator. Here's that intertropical convergence zone where you get the warm air rising, and you can see a nice little cumulonimbus cloud here representing every time you get air rising, you get some nice thunderstorms or precipitation taking place. So you can also see up here where we have precipitation taking place, where the air rises. Where air sinks, it's usually quite dry. You might find the deserts of the world along the sinking areas. And this is the three-cell model of the Earth: the Hadley cell, the Ferrel cell, and the polar cell. And just to show you again, with the shades here, that this place is probably going to be quite moist. And in fact, we can see that right along the equator, the green is showing you tropical type climates, and some of the rainforests of the world exist right along that equatorial region where that intertropical convergence zone keeps them wet year round. And then the deserts of the world, the yellow regions, they're usually located at about 30 degrees north and south. You can kind of see the latitude lines over here. So the Australian desert, the Kalahari desert, the Sahara desert, the Arabian desert, these are all located about 30 degrees north or south, and that has to do with the sinking end of the Hadley cell.